Hi to all the ACCA students. I am Punya Agarwal, ACCA affiliate, co-founder of Being ACCA. In this video, I'm quickly going to give you some tips for the next few days. Since your exams are finally over, it's been a week almost, like the past week was your exam week and now it's all over. Of course, there are some students who are also giving in this particular reserve week. But apart from that, major students are done with their exams. So right now, the question stays in our mind as to what should we do next? What should be our next priority? What are we going to do next? I say that because this is such a difficult task that you have finally you're done with which is giving your exams, and you have worked for like 1.5 2 months, 2.5 months approximately. So I think right now is the time to relax a little bit, give yourself that time, do something that you love, probably go out or do something, basically just relax right now. I think at least a week should be given to the relaxation aspect of it, because your body, mind, everything needs a break. So take a break, but don't get too swayed by the break, because there are a lot of students who take long breaks and then start with the preparation really very late for the next exam, because next exam is also there, your December attempt is also there, right? So if there are papers left for you which you have to give in December, I think 1 week is a good enough time to relax, which is this coming week. And then from probably the next week, which is the 15th of September, probably you can start thinking of how to what paper to pick up next, or all of those questions. So probably I'll be able to guide you better with those. Now for the first question that will come to your mind is what paper to give next. So again, we have already made a video regarding the same, so I'll link it in the description box. Probably you can go and check that out. So first of all, identify which paper do you want to go ahead with next. Second, find the relevant resources. So first of all, think that whether you want to do self-study, whether you want to take some classes, etc. If you want to self-study, what are the resources that are available? And if you want to go ahead with the faculty, what are the resources that are available? Okay, what faculty go for, etc. So do your research. So I think 3-4 days will go into the research. You can start doing research in this week also. So probably do the research and then start full-fledgedly by 15th. But if you want to not do anything right now, that's also completely fine. So probably you can start from 15th, and first of all, identify what paper to go next. Second of all, find the resources, whether you're self-studying, whether you are taking any sorts of classes, etc. Do your research. There are a lot of WhatsApp groups that we also personally have made for paper-wise for the ACCA exam. So probably you can join those, and you can ask students in those about the resources, about everything. By resources, I mean the tutor, of course, but any YouTube videos or your Kaplan BPP kits, all of these, Study Hub, etc. Now you have Study Hub, so in case you just want to refer to that, that's also fine. So just identify the resources so that at least you have the material in hand with you, and then after that, start with the preparation. Because guys, I would want to say one thing. I know that you people are always skeptical of the results, right? That whether I'll be able to pass the exam or no, which you have given in September, which is absolutely fine. We all have this contemplation, but we cannot waste our 1.5 month just because of this contemplation, right? Because your results are going to come on 13th of October, which is a month away right now, more than a month. So I would say right now your priority should be that you are not wasting your time on thinking about the results. Your exams are over, you have done your bit. Now you cannot do anything in regards to your preparation or your exams, or you cannot change your marks, etc. right? So I think your priority should not be thinking about the results, rather it should be thinking about how to prepare for the next attempt. And I would say that do not wait for the results. Never ever wait for the results. Start your preparation right now, and in 1 month I would say you will be done with 50-60% of the syllabus of the next paper that you're going to attempt, for obvious reasons, right? So I would say again, you will ask me, what if I failed the September attempt? What if? That is also a legitimate question. But now then I would say that till the exam day, you will be done with at least 50-60% of the syllabus of your the next paper that you're going to attempt, right? So for example, in September you attempted FR, right? Now in December, of course, you're going to go with AA, right? So till your exam day, till your result day, which is 13th, you'll be done with I would say 50-60% of the syllabus of AA. So in case unfortunately you fail your September attempt of FR, I would say you can still you can merge these two papers together. Why? Because in FR now you already know the syllabus, right? You don't have to do anything for the syllabus. You need to do a lot of practice for FR, and you need to do AA also simultaneously. But by the time that you have reached the result date, you will be done with 50-60% of the syllabus of AA as well, and then you'll be left with 1.5 months. So you can very well combine these two papers together and give them in December. Similarly for the other papers also, I would say like that. So I would just say that don't waste time, because there have been a lot of cases wherein students wait till exam result day, and then probably they pass the exam, and then which they were skeptical of, and then they think that, oh my god, I cannot give, for example, a professional level paper in 1.5 months, it will be too tough for me. Of course you can, but students do get tensed regarding that, because of course if you start early right now, you have full-fledged 2.53 months, but when you start after the result date, you only have 1.5 months. So that is what I'm trying to say, is that do not waste time. Find resources, start searching for the faculty, start preparation right now. I also provide planners for all of the skill level and the professional level papers of ACCA. So in case you want to you don't know how to start, supposing you're self-studying or something, and you don't know how to begin with the preparation, and you don't know what resources to refer to, probably you can take the planner, and you'll get a very good idea as to what to do next. So that's all from my side. I think first of all, this week relaxation, then research about the next paper, next attempt, what to do next, and then start with the preparation. That should be your plan of action. I hope it helped. All the very best for the next attempt, all the very best for your results also. Do let me know in case you require any further help from our end.